Steve Robbins here. Welcome to the Get It Done Guys quick and dirty tips to work less and do more. Please sign up for my weekly tip newsletter at getitdone.quickanddirtytips.com/newsletter. It's awesome. Life is so complicated as an adult. In college, the worst that ever happened was running out of time for my physics final, and then discovering that I was naked. I think it was a dream, but I'm still too traumatized from that event to know for sure. My therapist and I are working on it. Embarrassing exams, those are easy to fix. Just always keep a spare pair of pants in your backpack. Technology is harder. It always fails, but only when you need it the most. I don't think I've ever seen a presentation that successfully used presentation software or a live demonstration. Halfway through, the screensaver turns on, the network connection dies, the machine puts itself into sleep mode, or PowerPoint mysteriously pops back to the desktop, and we get to see exactly which websites the presenter was browsing before they started their presentation. When technology and meetings fail, some audience members think, another silly technology gaffe. That's your mother. She was in the audience. Your boss, coworkers, and freshman physics professor are thinking, someone didn't prepare. Don't let that someone be you. Even if you're a great presenter, your computer isn't. Rehearse your presentation step by step and make sure the technology is working. Before your presentation, shut down all the applications on your machine, including your virus checkers, firewalls, alarms, to-do list, calendars, and anything else that might delight and surprise you with a helpful little message at exactly the wrong time. Turn off your screensaver. Turn off autosleep. Turn off auto-hibernation. If you're on a laptop with different settings when it's plugged in versus when it's running on battery, change the settings for whichever mode you'll use during the presentation live. Even better, change the settings for both modes. Start up every application you'll need before you begin. Minimize them to the taskbar or the dock. When you need them, a single click gets you there. If you plan to visit websites, clear your browser history. That way you won't type a web address and have your browser take you to an unintended site you visited with a similar name. And even better, open every page you'll use in a different tab so you're already up and running. Bookmarks are not enough. Your audience doesn't want to wait while a bookmark loads. Besides, you'll accidentally bookmark the wrong page and end up with your audience wondering what your favorite poodle grooming site has to do with your presentation. If your presentation involves demonstrating anything on a network, resign yourself now to a life as the human equivalent of a hairless mole rat. You'll download a virus, the website you're accessing will be in maintenance mode, you'll be using the wrong URL, or the machine will simply explode in a shower of sparks just to spite you. Instead, walk through the demonstration you intend to give, but take screenshots every step of the way. Put the screenshots in your presentation and step through them during the presentation. You still run the risk of having your presentation software crash, but at least you don't have to introduce the entire internet as a possible distraction. I'm going to give a live demo, you proudly proclaim. Great! Make the screenshots anyway. Then when the demo blows up and makes you look foolish, you can jump to your backup screenshots. You had them open and ready to go, just minimized, and finish the presentation. Instead of looking foolish, you're a hero. You'll get applause and accolades and a promotion and a new yacht and an indoor Olympic-sized swimming pool, so screenshots are a good thing. I presented on how technology detracts from presentations. I took screenshots of PowerPoint screwing up and put them in my presentation so that the screw up would be exactly the one that I wanted. Right. Halfway through, PowerPoint screwed up. But no one could tell because the screenshot had been of PowerPoint screwing up anyway. This episode's transcript includes a copy of that presentation just for fun. Maybe next time, I think I'll give handouts. Handouts. I love handouts. That's where you put reference material. Instead of cluttered slides people must squint to read, give handouts they must squint to read. Plus, you can include your name and contact information. That is called tasteful self-promotion. My last tip is to rehearse in the room you'll be using, with the actual equipment you'll be using, connected to the same network connection you'll be using. If possible, rehearse within an hour of going live. If your computer is cranky, it will still find a way to sabotage you, but this will reduce the chances. At the end of the day, people come to your presentations because they want you. Replace your technology with easy-to-control handouts, or if you must use a slideshow, take every possible precaution so it won't blow up. Your handouts and technology are just accessories that make you shine. Select them as carefully as you would select a Prada elephant lambskin gathered bow detailed clutch. This is Steve Robbins. Join my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/getitdoneguy. I'll post my fun presentation there. Work less, do more, and have a great life.